Hi, today we are in the part 2 of the video. So now I'm basically doing the smile of the car, so the bottom part, and I'm using the 113 as a base, and then adding a little bit of the brown to create this edge. The brown that I'm using is 283. And now with the dark orange 115, I'm creating like a edge, and I'm creating all the black part, basically just using the 199, and you don't have to worry, just like full black. And I'm blending and then probably we'll create around 3 to 4 layers as a black. I'm doing the same in the other side. And now I'm creating a shade on this part with the 115. The right side is going to be darker and the left side is going to be lighter. You just have to be careful because there is a tiny part, there is a different color at the edge of the wheel. And the second layer of the black. And now I'm basically creating with the brown, I'm dividing the spaces between, creating like a line with the brown, separating the spaces. Again with the orange, I'm creating like a line on this bottom part, and with the 113, I'm blending using Meltz everything basically. And now with Posca, I'm adding the highlights. The highlights are very important to create contrast. And now I'm just adding a little bit more of shadows with the brown, the 283, and the one more layer on the black. And now I'm creating the strips. I'm not sure which green I have used, but I'm gonna put on the description below. You don't have to worry about the screen. It just has to be like no shading, no anything. It's just flat green. And the same with the red. And the red gonna be in the description below as well. And the bottom of the red is gonna be a very thin line with the black.